Hi, this is Jenny Wheeler with Straightaway Travel. Recently, Barb Strait and I stayed at the brand new Helios Grand Hotel at Epic Universe. Here's our gorgeous room video of our theme park view. Let's check it out. Welcome to our 2-queen room. We had a theme park view overlooking Epic Universe. As you can see, we have the 2 queen beds here. The bedding was so soft and luxurious. Had a very good night's sleeps here. And on the nightstand, there were plenty of outlets to charge everything we needed to charge. So whether you're traveling with family or friends, there are plenty of plugs for everyone. And here are the little reading lamps for if someone is staying up a bit later than somebody else in the family. And here is this pad device that was so much fun. You could open and close the curtains on it. You could adjust the temperature. You could adjust the blowing of the air. You could turn off all the lights, turn on the lights. It was a lot of fun to play with. You could also link up your Netflix account if there was anything you wanted to watch in the evenings. I also loved that they had this workspace here for if you did need to get something done while you're on the trip. There was a lot of storage, which was so great to be able to keep everything nice and tidy. They also do have the little refrigerator so you can keep your drinks cool, and as well as a little Keurig machine. Now, I do want to talk to you about some of the advantages to staying at a Universal resort. Universal hotel guests receive early park admission. You can enter the park up to 1 hour before the rest of the public. That means shorter wait times and more rides you can pack into your day. They also do have complimentary shuttle service and transportation to the parks. You can also do resort-wide charging privileges, so when you're in the park, you can have them scan your room key and they will just charge you right to your room, so you don't need to, keep getting your credit card out and things like that. The shower was really nice. I know people usually like to know about the water pressure. The water pressure was great. It was adjustable, so you could have it coming more at a jet speed or at just the traditional speed. And there was also lots of bathroom storage, so you could keep it nice and clean. There were additional towels in the drawer for if you needed that. And here we have the nice closet that has ironing board, and safe in it for you. Yeah, Barb and I just loved waking up to this incredible view of Epic Universe. Especially if you're traveling there with your kids, imagine their little faces looking out at this view, knowing that they are going to spend the day at this park. Remember, when you're ready to book your next trip, book with Straightaway Travel. Here is the entrance for resort guests to enter the park. So they also have security right here, which is nice. So you enter the park and go through security right at your hotel. And this is what you walk into. You walk out of that door and literally are in Celestial Park. When you are ready to book your Universal Orlando vacation, please reach out to the experts at Straightaway Travel. We are here to make your trip seamless, easy to understand, and help you every step of the way. Reach out to us at www.straightawaytravel.com and let's get planning. Please like and subscribe to our channel as we are in the parks, making new videos, bringing you new adventures constantly. We look forward to hearing from you.